Governor, have you ever met or spoken to former District Attorney Ronald Miller?
Not that I recall, but I meet a lot of people.
So you never discussed Nathaniel Leahy's Supreme Court case with him?
No.
Or getting back at Annalise Keating for embarrassing you?
Objection. Asked and answered.
That's okay, no. And I would remember if someone had embarrassed me.
Governor, how many cars does the state give you for official business?
One, but I have access to others if necessary.
Is anyone else authorized to use the official one?
Not to my knowledge.
Is this your car for official business?
I believe so.
This image was taken by a street camera outside of Ronald Miller's residence on October 25th, just days before Nathaniel Leahy was killed. You said you never met Miller. How do you explain it being there?
I can't.
No further questions.
Governor, why did you fire your aide, Paige Dodson?
Objection, relevance.
Laying foundation, Judge.
I'll allow it. Go ahead.
Paige showed a pattern of unprofessional decision-making.
Booking your official car for her own personal use?
Several times.
And each time, she had to fill out a requisition form like this. Correct?
Yes.
Can you tell us the date written there?
October 25th.
The same night the car was parked near Mr. Miller's home.
Are you accusing my aide of conspiring with D.A. Miller?
No, but Paige was seeing a gentleman friend who lives near Mr. Miller's building.
This is hearsay unless Miss Dotson testifies herself.
She's out of the country, but we have the gentleman, Joseph Lee, here to testify to the relationship, Your Honor. Permission to call him to the stand?
Well, I think the jury would appreciate hearing from him. Governor, you may step down.
I told you the governor would sell out all the people below her. She doesn't care who she has to throw under the bus or bribe.
Okay, if you're just here to rub salt in our wounds, leave.
What if I knew how to win?
How?
Stop going after the governor and take out the one person who you know ordered Senior's murder. Miller.
Gladden won't say that on the stand without immunity.
But you have another witness right here. You figured out Miller was guilty before anyone else. Tell the jury why.
Okay, that's not a terrible idea.
Yeah.
Why?
His mom already made Bonnie a liability, that's why.
The jury didn't see that. And as his one-time girlfriend, the jury will believe Miller told her things he told no one else. Unless you disagree.
Mr. Millstone.
I've decided to have Miss White plead guilty.
You want Snow White to go to prison.
I'll negotiate an immunity deal for no jail time.
One of the dwarfs already made a deal. That's how the police got enough evidence to arrest Snow White.
Probably Doc. Total evil mastermind name. But whatever dwarf it was, we know this to be true. He's a man. And this is olden times where women are even more subjugated by men than they presently are. So I'll argue that Miss White was a victim of male toxicity. She felt afraid and bullied, and she had no choice but to act in a conspiracy to murder another woman. It was kill or be killed. And she chose life. How can we blame her for that?
Bonnie is about to take the stand, which means she's about to become the star witness in the case she got kicked off of, which means the case is tanked and there's no way that Nate is getting any money. You're such a loser.
I know.
Hey, oh, sorry.
All good.
Thank you for still sending me your tax law outline.
Yeah, of course. We had a deal.
Yeah, I know, but that was before, you know.
You and Ash are back together again?
No.
Really? Because I can feel his eyes burning a hole in the back of my head all week.
What? And I meant what I said about wanting to be single.
Yeah, I mean, you say a lot of things, though.
Excuse me?
I'm just saying, you claim to be this independent woman, but from what I hear, you've been with a guy almost your entire time here in law school.
Did Peyton tell you that?
So it's true. You are a hypocrite.
I don't